YouTube. So today I did the smoky look for you guys. In this video it's a talk through, so I tell you guys, you know, how I'm doing it and all that stuff, what I'm using and how I'm blending and stuff like that. Well, you guys will see I'm talking throughout the whole video. So yeah, it was requested video by Negative Free. She did ask me to do this video on how to create a smoky eye without it becoming muddy and what colors to use and how to blend it out. So what you guys request, I do. So here's the video, and I'll have her link down below if you guys want to check her out. She does videos as well. I was watching her videos all morning. So yeah, check her out, and if you guys want to know how to get this look, and just continue watching. Hey ladies, so the video that we're going to do today is a smoky eye. So let's get started. I'm going to start off by priming my lids. I'm going to be using just a nude primer, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lid. Okay, so working with the smoky eye, you use lots of browns and plum colors and neutral colors and just a bunch of colors. So I'm going to go in that today. So first off, I'm going to go in with this Profusion palette, and I'm going to be using this brown right here. And I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend that all in the crease. And when you're blending this brown in your crease, go back and forth and then go in like circular motions just so that it's blended very well. Okay, so in the crease, and I'm blending in a circle, going back and forth, blend. Now I want to put my brow bone color, so I'm going to be using the Naked 3, and I'm going to be going in with Strange, and I'm just going to apply that underneath the brow bone. Apply that, just because I want to get this part out of the way. I always forget to enter this part in the video. If you hear a stitch in the background, I had to put that on for Geo. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Nooner, and I'm going to put that in my crease. You just want to use like any brownish mauve-y color as a transition as well. Where is my brush? Okay, there it is. So I'm going to dab that in the brush, and I'm going to place that in my crease. Circular motions and blend. Like, look how pretty that color is. Okay, just blend that really well in my crease. Bring it forward a bit, and there you go. So you see how that is? So like that. So now I'm going to go in with the color that we're going to use all over our lid. I'm going to be going in with this silver from the Rimland Glam. So I'm going to be using this silver right here. But before I apply that, I want to go in with this e.l.f. glitter primer. And I'm just going to apply this all over the lid. Okay. Okay, so like that. And I'm going to go in with the silver and dab it on. Yes, baby. Just because I want it to stick better. Stay all day. Okay, so now since that's on, now we're going to go back in with our transition color. And I'm just going to grab the brown, and I'm just going to place that in my crease. And then I'm going to place that in my crease again, and making sure not to get any on the lid. Just go back and forth. Okay, so now we're going to go in with our plummy colors, and with this color right here from BH, and this is a 28 Smokey Eyes. I'm just going to place a little bit on my brush with the same fluffy brush that we've been using. And just place that right there in the crease, making sure not to get any on the lid. Bring it forward and blend it out. You don't want any harsh lines, so you got to make sure you blend. So there you go. Okay, so now we're going to get some of that plumish color off just with this right here, and I'm just going to go in circular motions to get all that off. Okay, and now we're going to go in with a brick red brown, my favorite color, and I'm going to grab this color right here, and this is from the BH Cosmetics as well. And if you watch my channel, you know I use this color a lot. Okay, so we're just going to place that in the crease and just blend. I'm going to go back, I want to really intensify it, so I'm going to go back in with that color, put it in the crease, go back and forth and blend. Okay, I'm going to add some tape. So yeah, with Smokey Eyes, the key is just blending very well and just being really patient. Don't just grab your brush and just go like really psycho and just blend everything together, because you won't see like the different colors. Like you can tell that there's plum, there's purple, yeah, there's plum, there's brown, you can see the brown, you can see a little red, and then of course you still can see the silver. So you want to make sure that you don't blend everything together, you're just blending it one at a time. Sorry, I had to fix that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna deepen the crease. So I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush. So I'm gonna be taking this brush right here, and then for the Profusion palette, this little thing is pretty cute. I'm gonna go in with this black and put a little on my brush, just a little, and I'm just gonna place it right at the ends, just like that. Same thing, blend back and forth. Brown. And I'm going to blend that. Okay. Color Nooner from the Naked 3. And I'm just going to blend that in the crease. Circular motions. Circular motions. Okay. There you go. So far so good. And I feel like that silver is not really lasting. So I'm going to go back in with a different silver. Okay, so since that silver I feel like isn't popping enough, I'm going to go in with this Black Heart Beauty, and I'm going to be using this silver right here. And I'm just going to apply that on the lid with my fingers. There you go. So I'm just going to take some of that brown on the fluffy brush and just blend, circular motions again, and blend out. So now time to remove the tape. I'm going to go in with this color right here from the Neutral palette, and I'm going to place that right here. I don't know why, it's just such a pretty color, and it's like, I don't know, it looks like different colors. I don't even know how to explain it to you guys. Using the e.l.f. waterproof eyeliner. Oh, my ear was itching. And we're gonna line our lids. I'm gonna go back in with the color that we were using, this one right here. I'm just gonna place that right there in my eye again. Just to intensify that area. Some people don't like it, people are like, oh, that's too much, but I'm like,
you're looking good.
With a nude pencil. This is from Chilla, and this is for, it's a highlighting crown, but I'm gonna use it to water my waterline. Okay, so I just went in with a nude lipstick. This is e.l.f., my favorite in fantasy, and this is it. And then I'm gonna go in with this hard candy. It's called Coffee Cafe, and I'm just gonna apply that all on the lid, my lips. I'm just gonna dab it on there because I don't want to get too much of my nude off. So that's it. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions or any requests. Please leave them down below. And yeah, if you guys like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. And until next time, bye. Leg. Oh, I got a cramp in my leg. That's what I get for sitting on it. No. Well, let's just mess up everywhere. You can do it!